I've got some life hacks for you which seem almost unethical. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos such as this. Well, let's dig into these life hacks. Well, number 1, use nail polish to identify different keys. Organize your life with this simple time-saving trick. If you've got a few minutes to spare and some nail polish bottles lying around, this hack is well worth a try. You'll no longer need to rabble about finding the right one, plus the colors will automatically show which set of keys you require. Number 2, freeze grapes to chill your drink without getting it watered down. When it comes to do-it-yourself hacks, this is one must try. The next time you're making a drink that you don't want to be diluted by the water, of course, ice melts, use frozen grapes instead of ice cubes. That way, when it melts, your drink won't be watered down. Here's a bonus. Frozen grapes are refreshing to eat during summers, so it'll be fun to have. Number 3, do you have empty Nutella jars or even peanut butter jar? Well, put milk in them. The next time your chocolate spread, peanut butter or jams jars are empty, add some milk to the mix. Then screw the lid back on. Well, and shake for a minute, of course. And create a tasty homemade milkshake. You'll be using up the leftovers that would require, or otherwise would be binned. Number 4, put a wooden spoon across a boiling pot of water. Why? To keep it from boiling over. This is probably one of the most well-known life hacks from home, but does it really work? Why? Well, a few reasons. The wood is a natural repellent, which causes the bubbles to stop rising. Chemistry. Also, the spoon is a cooler temperature than the water, meaning that once the bubbles reach the spoon, the steam and bubbles condense back into the water. Number 5, use hair straighteners to iron collars. This one only works if you're wearing a jumper or something else that will cover up the rest of your shirt. If you're rushing out the door but you need to freshen up your look, consider ironing your shirt collar with hair straighteners. It will smarten up your look and dramatically reduce your getting ready time. Number 6, wrap your cheese in parchment paper. Did you know that cheese lasts longer when it can breathe? Rather than wrapping your cheddar up in cling film or tin foil, secure it in waxed or greased proof paper. Number 7, use bread clips to organize your power cables. Organizing your cables and declutter the house, that is what you want. With this easy household life hack, the next time you buy a loaf, be sure to save your bread tags. They have a whole range of uses, including untangling your power cables. Plus, the different tag colors will help you tell them apart. Number 8, ever wondered how to clean a shower head? Well, tie a bag of vinegar around your shower. This is one of the coolest life hacks for those of you that don't like cleaning. Well, basically everyone does not like cleaning shower heads. Simply put some vinegar in a Ziploc bag, tie it around your shower head and with an elastic band, making sure that the shower nozzle is completely submerged in the vinegar. Leave it overnight, and by the time you come back in the morning, all the lime scale buildup should be gone. Number 9, put a paper towel under your fruit and vegetables in the fridge. If you're storing loose fruit and vegetables in the fridge, pop a paper towel under them. This way it'll soak up all the water and help them last even longer. Number 10, rub a walnut on damaged wooden furniture. Why? Well, did you know that you can fix your scuffed wooden furniture with just a modest walnut? Yes! It might sound like we're pulling your leg, but it really works. All you have to do is rub a walnut over the scratched surface several times before rubbing the area with your finger. Here's the reason. The oil from the walnut will be absorbed into wood and helps hide the ugly mark. Amazing, right? These life hacks. I mean, they seem so unethical. They sound so unbelievable. But here you have it from my side. Well, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up on that. And of course, if you have any other life hacks, don't forget to comment below as well. And of course, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of such life hacks in the future. For now, bye-bye.